entryway, mudroom, vestibule, porch entry, back door, side door. No matter what you call it, your entryway should make an excellent first impression. And after years of wear and tear, your entry might not look as inviting as it used to, making it time to invest in new flooring. Here are just a few flooring options to spice up your entry. Laminate flooring is cost-effective, easy to install, and extremely durable. Luxury vinyl tile and planks look and feel just like tile and hardwood. They're extremely durable and available in a variety of styles. Hardwood floors are a beautiful option and are made with a wide variety of wood species. They feature high-tech coatings and can be scratch-resistant depending on the wood species. And natural stone, ceramic tile, and porcelain tile. While it may be a pricier option, when it comes to water resistance and scratches, tile remains unmatched. The installation will require proper preparation of the subfloor. All of these flooring options are great choices and will each better your entry in their own unique ways. In the end, the decision comes down to you. Choose the flooring that best suits your needs and makes you happy. Visit Flooring Direct for the new high-quality floors you've been dreaming of. Call to schedule your free estimate today.